Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to post a post on your Tumblr account or how to add a post on your Tumblr account. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to post on Tumblr or how to add post on the page on the Tumblr. So first you just need to add a post here. So the first of all, you just need to click on this option, pencil option. So here you can find all the thing like your images from the gallery. You can just pick a new photo here, or you can just choose a GIF file or audio file, links, and lot of them more. So you can just add a text. You can just change the text size, indent, and bullet list and number list. So just go with the bullet list here. So just tap on here, and you're just going to add tech, apps, and gadgets. So I'm just going to post this. So click on the A section. Just click on the thing. You just need to select the thing first to make it as a bullet, then click on this and just bullet list, and just here just going to click this and just going to click on the A symbol and just going to bullet list. Now click on the option to click on the post option on the top. So you can also change the color of the text if you just need it, and just click on the post option, and you can just need to add a tags here. So gadgets technically take like that, then and click on the post option on the top. So just refresh it, your post has been posted. This is how you just post a post or add a post on your page on your Tumblr. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in the next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.